Hey there, it's Tiffany.
And it's Super Sid, and we want to invite you to our next 10K Payday Challenge.
The 10K Payday Challenge is a free 7-day challenge where we're gonna walk you step by step through the techniques and the strategies that you need to take to get your next paying client on your way to your first or next 10K Payday.
And here's how the 10K Payday Challenge is going to work.
So every day during this challenge, we are going to give you a task to do after the training so that you're actually implementing while we're going through the strategy with you.
We are going to work with you every single day so that you can reach the goal that you set for the challenge.
So when you join this training, you're not just gonna get a whole bunch of old dusty videos that no longer make sense and a whole bunch of weird technobabble. You're going to get a live training with us every single day for 7 days, guiding you on the next step to take.
And what's a challenge without prizes, right?
So as soon as you register for the challenge, you will be sent to the challenge Facebook group. Inside of that group, you're gonna find all the information on what you need to do to get yourself in the running to win one of many prizes valued at over $5,000.
So what are you waiting for? Click the link down here below and join us for this 10K Payday Challenge happening here in just the next few days. And now, a moment of silence for the people who have not clicked the link below yet. What are you waiting for? It's a free challenge to find your next clients. Let's go!